So, guys, now we are in a hotel, all booked and checked in. Super easy. It's the VOYA Hotel, it's called. I've never been here before. It's in Ringsheim, which is basically about a 10-minute drive from Europa-Park. Literally around the corner, one of the neighbouring villages. There are lots of hotels in the surrounding area. There are also supermarkets and other facilities nearby, so you don't need to worry about any of that if you want to grab some food and drinks for the park for your visit. There was a €10 charge for parking, which I thought was a little bit cheeky because it wasn't in a parking garage or anything. It's just basically in front of the hotel, but that's pretty normal now when you book hotels near theme parks and near attractions and stuff, because they do tend to have people park there when they're not really guests at the hotels, which I can sort of understand. But she basically just gave us a like a printed form to put inside the car for so people basically know that we've paid the fee to park there and that we are guests in the hotel. But I thought you could have probably done it without charging us, but that's what it's like nowadays. I mean, as I said, it's pretty normal. We paid the last time we were in Europa-Park in the other hotel, we paid as well, but at least then we were in a parking garage and I knew like underground, and I knew that the car was safe. So I think it was a little bit cheeky, but it's to be expected. Anyway, we are in the hotel now, and I thought I'll give you a lovely room tour. I'm not sure just yet whilst filming this if it's going to be a separate video or not. I'll have to decide how long the vlogs are, if I include this within the vlogs or if I do a separate video. But you will obviously see, because you would have clicked on this video, if it is a separate video. But yeah, I thought I'd do a room tour because it's a beautiful hotel. It seems very new and very modern. I don't think it's a make or any particular brand of hotel. I've not really heard of it before. Sometimes like Marriott hotels and stuff have under categories, but I don't think it belongs to any one of their main chains. I think it's a private hotel. I did see when I booked this, I generally tend to book on Check24, which is like a comparison website. I'm not sponsored or affiliated by them in any way, but I do tend to use them because you get points, and we actually use points when we book the cruise. If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. Our MSC cruise across the Mediterranean, when we booked that through Check24, we got a voucher basically in the sum. I think it was 25 or 26 euros, and I put that towards this booking. The night would have cost 107 euros for a standard double room, but we ended up paying, I think, 67, 68 or something like that. Obviously, the €10 parking on top of that as well, so you have to consider that when you book. But it did state it in the booking as well, so you do know in advance, so you don't need to worry about that. It's not a surprise when you arrive and you have to pay that. What you do have to pay near Europa-Park, and I did actually ask at the front desk because I wasn't sure if it's standard and if it's everywhere in Germany now, or if it's just like in resort-style places. We did have to pay a resort charge, which I also thought was very, very cheeky. And she said, yeah, it's the fact that it's a small village and they have lots of hotels, they need to cater for so many people. That's why they have a little extra charge, and I think it was €2 something as well for the resort charge that we had to pay on top. But everything else was paid in advance through Check24, and we basically just paid €10 parking and the €2 something. I think it was €2.25 or something for the resort charge. So overall, not too bad, but just keep that in mind if you didn't know that in advance, that there are some small extra fees that you will have to consider when you arrive. Anyway, let's get into the room tour now. It's a lovely double room, big room actually, really, really modern. See, I think that this hotel is pretty new. I'm not sure. I can have a Google, maybe have a look, but it definitely looks and smells new, and I wasn't aware of it before. So we're going to show you the room now. So when you come in, you're greeted with this lovely entrance here, quite a wide, I'm not sure if all the rooms look like this, but it's quite a wide entrance. You have a good big mirror there, and I love this wallpaper. It's very neutral but still quite inviting and fun. There's a lovely big mirror here. This is the bathroom, but I'll show you that last. So you go through. Obviously, we put our stuff here as well and hung our jackets up already, but we have some artwork here. It reminds me a lot of Volunterium. I'm not sure if that's the vibe that they were going for, but this steampunky aircraft sort of style, which goes very well. It does remind me of Volunterium, which is also a ride that we didn't go and go on today, so we're going to do that tomorrow. I was actually going to film a POV on there as well, so we'll see if we can manage to do that tomorrow. I love this little addition up here. I mean, it's probably not good from a cleaning perspective. I think they probably have to dust that off a lot, these fake plants here, but it's a lovely touch. Makes it very, very cozy and inviting. You don't see that a lot in hotel rooms, to be honest, but yeah, I love that. Nice little touch. It makes it nice and cozy and very, very inviting. We have a nice sized TV here as well. I haven't checked to see what channels they're on, but probably German, French, English channels, or your regular channels. Some more artwork here as well. I love these sick curtains. Good blackout curtains, always very, very important. I think a lot of hotels don't have blackout curtains. And these mesh curtains here as well. Really creates a nice cozy atmosphere. It reminds us of our curtains at home. I do love that combination. Nice big windows. Let's do the window test. Ooh. Actually open them all the way. Now that's not typical for a hotel, but there you go. You can open it all the way, which is not typical. Usually you can only tilt them. Oh, I'm struggling with the curtain now, but that's good. All the way ceiling to floor. That's good. Now this is the bed. I love this padded back, which goes all the way from the ceiling down to the bottom of the bed. That creates a really, really cozy atmosphere and very, very modern and luxury. I mean, very, very luxurious with this lighting in the back here as well. I love these. I remember these from different hotels. Good plug socket there. Easy light switches. I love this as well. Probably a pain to clean, but that's very, very nice. Very luxurious. And the matching tables to go with this as well. Very, very nice. Nice double bed. Good size. I would say it's a queen. In Germany, it's very typical that you get two separate duvets, which we are not a big fan of. Me being English anyway, we have one big cover at home. But yeah, that is very typical in Germany. And what's not typical for Germany, to be honest, is these style pillows, because usually you get these ones, and they are an absolute pain because you lay your head on them once and they, look, see, there's no hold. So yeah, we love these good English pillows. Very, very good. The same on the other side. Absolutely love this. I like the colour as well. Really goes well with the brown. Yeah, from a design point of view. Perfect. We have a nice big cupboard by the looks of it here with a safe. Plenty of room to store your clothes in. Big, good, sturdy safe. That's good. Plenty of storage if you were staying for more than one night. We're only here for the one night, so it's perfectly fine for us anyway. You have a good size fridge as well, which is perfect for, especially when you go into a theme park, for storing all your stuff that you need to cool and your drinks and stuff. This water is, I think, free of charge. Yeah, it says it's free of charge. Here we go. Kostenlos für Sie, for free. That's good, because Gerolsteiner water is actually quite expensive. So you have one natural, which is still, and one Sprudel, which is sparkling, in a good glass bottle. Very, very high standard. Obviously, we have a bottle opener here as well. This is our stuff, so we can all that. That's not included. This is also our stuff. But you get some coat hangers as well. Nice sturdy wooden coat hangers for your trousers as well. What does it say? Gerne frisch machen. Time to freshen up, ready for the next adventure. I think that's when you can hang that on your door if you want them to clean the room. Yeah, but that's... Oh, I didn't show you the stool. That's a good idea, actually. So this doubles up as a... Yeah, like an office desk. And you have a nice stool there as well, which you can pull out if you need to. Bin under there, perfect. You don't need any more than that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right, the bathroom is also very, very impressive. A nice modern bathroom. So I like this. You have a good sturdy grip to put your towels on. Because sometimes hotels don't really have a lot of room for towels. You just throw them on the floor. You don't know where to put them. But that's good, actually. Nice modern toilet there. Yeah, all your amenities. And a nice amount of towels here in all different sizes. I think this is a bath mat. Then we have the two regular towels and two bigger ones for the shower, and you can probably order as much as you need to if you do need any more. You can hang the one that you've used on here, which is good as well. And you have some tissues, which is very, very helpful. I love this modern style sink. Should we do the power test? Yeah, decent power on there. Decent power. There's me. I love these ring light mirrors, and I'm not sure if it's a heated one. We'll see when we go in the shower if it's a heated one, because they are absolutely good. Hand wash here as well included from Roots. That looks quite good. Eucalyptus tea. That sounds very fancy, doesn't it? And you get 2 nice melamine cups, toothbrush holders, and a little makeup mirror as well. Perfect. You don't need any more than that. You have a decent, looks quite new as well. So I do think, obviously, with me being in hotels a lot, I know what older hotels look like. This seems to be a pretty new one, because everything is spick and span by the looks of it. Yeah, and should we do the power test of the hairdryer? Let's see. Yeah, that seems like it would do the job. Nice and hot. You have your different settings here as well, and a good holder for it, so you don't need to put it in a bag. Usually it's in a bag somewhere, so that's a pain as well, but that's good. We have a heating towel rack as well, which is absolutely perfect, that you can use. You can probably, it's not on at the moment, but you can turn it on probably whenever you need it. And the shower is a really good size. You can easily fit 2 people in there. You have shampoo, body wash, also in the eucalyptus tea. I like the pump. See, never really used to be the case in hotels. You used to always get like the small bottles, which is a nice touch, and some luxurious hotels you still get that. But I think the pump is just so much more efficient. You can pump as much as you need, they can refill it, it's easier for the hotel, it's easier for you. So yeah, I'm a big fan of those. And we have a good shower, which we'll be trying out pretty soon. I won't turn it on now, but that's probably got a lot of power to it. Very clean, very modern. It looks barely used. Even this, usually you have like watermarks and stuff, and I don't know, maybe no one's ever been in this hotel room before. It seems like it. It's all very new, which I absolutely love. And I love this natural stone look as well. Tiling all the way to the ceiling, very modern and neutral look. So there you go, guys. This is our hotel room for the night. I'm really delighted with it. As I said, it would have been over €100 for the night, which is also not too bad for Europa-Park if you consider what the Europa-Park hotels actually cost for a night. But yeah, it's good. It's a fun theme. It's got it sort of relates to the park as well. I don't know if it's intentional or not, but it gives me a steampunk vibe. It reminds me of Planetarium. As I said, whether that's intentional or not, I don't know, but it's fun. It relates to the park, and yeah, it creates a good atmosphere, and it's luxurious and calm, and yeah, it's just cozy at the same time. I love it. Modern touch, very clean, perfect. You don't need any more than that. So as I said, we paid 60 something for the night, which is a bargain. Obviously, as I said, the €10 on top for the parking and the resort charge as well, but all in all, absolutely perfectly fine for one night, especially on the weekend, on the opening weekend of the park. Cannot complain. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then yes, there's not a lot left for me to say other than thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you as always, and see you next time. Take care. Goodbye for now.